Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is doing great, everyone is fine. This is me Fariha and welcome back to my another video. So I was busy a bit for the past few days, so couldn't upload any video, but now I'm back and I'll be sharing all the updates and excitements which I had during Eid. So basically, I traveled to Borishal to my in-laws' house to celebrate Eid Ul Azha with the whole family and everyone. So right now, I'm in Borishal here, and I'm just this clips are taken in the morning before the Eid day. I was just going to the for some grocery shopping and to the village bazaar to do some other shoppings as well and to do some breakfast. So right now I'll be going there and I'll be eating some gorm gorm porta and uh, tea and village sweets. These are so delicious, so yummy, and so uh, tasty. Just melting in my mouth. After having a yummy breakfast, I just went to the bazaar to do some grocery shopping, and it was morning, and the full bazaar was full of people. Everybody were just buying groceries for them. Same here. I bought some fish, chicken, some vegetables, and some other groceries. But as well, you can see these are village bazaars here. In the morning, it's so much crowded and people, but after afternoon, there is very less crowded. But in the morning we always get the fish, the chicken, all the items are fresh. We all get all fresh items of vegetables, fruits, and everything. Here you can see some vegetables is set on the boat. I saw this very unique, so thought of just capturing for you, all of you guys. Just had a tasty and yummy tea. এটা হচ্ছে গরুর দুধের চা, গ্রামের একদম অরিজিনাল গরুর দুধের চা। এত মজা, এত টেস্ট কি আর বলবো, অনেক ভালো লাগছে। It was very tasty. So here you can see this is front of our house. It's a very big place where usually kids play all around all the time. It was early morning, so you can't see any people. This is our village mosque just beside our house. It's under construction, but it will be completed very soon. The village is very big and the whole everywhere is greenery, and it feels really great whenever I come to the village because everywhere is green and the natural vibes with all the relatives and cousins. It feels really great to celebrate any festival in in the village. It's really exciting. We are gonna have so much fun, and I'll be sharing those all of those with you guys. It feels very nice, and you guys can see my two younger brother-in-laws were playing in the pond and jumping. After seeing them, I just remember my childhood. It feels very nostalgic because we have spent also this time when we were younger. So you guys can see this is our Qurbani cow. He is very notorious and doesn't stay in a single place. Very violent, I would say. In the evening, we're just roaming around in the bazaar, and I just saw this dal. I just really love dal, so had it. It was a great evening. Now, the next day will be, so we were preparing for Eid. These clips were taken in the Eid morning. Everyone went for namaz, so I just thought of capturing the last few uh, moments before the Qurbani has done. So Eid Ul Azha is basically a sacrifice, a time we'll be sacrificing for Allah. So I pray to Allah that uh, He accepts our sacrifice. And here you guys can see the Qurbani has been done everywhere. Everyone was busy for with the meat and the distribution. It was feeling really great because all of the relatives and cousins, everyone was there. Everyone was, we're just enjoying together. It actually feels like when the whole family is here in one place, feels really great. The place doesn't defines the enjoy. It actually enjoy means with the family, and it can be done in anywhere at any place. So I hope everyone liked my vlog. Please comment how did you like it, and hope to see everyone on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.